Who was the first Filipino recording artist?
Imelda Papin.
Mali. Maria Carpina. Who founded the La Liga Filipina?
Andres Bonifacio.
Mali. Jose Rizal.
Rizal.
Who was the first Miss Philippines?
Evangeline Castro.
Tama.
Ay, di ba nilaron to eh? Nakakatalino, no?
Oo, baliw. Nilalaro namin to sa WePlay.
Ano yun?
Sa WePlay app, pre. Hindi mo alam yung WePlay app?
Tara, laro niya natin.
Oh, sige, tara. Para malaman mo rin.
Ito ba yung pre, yung WePlay?
Oo, pre, yan ang WePlay app.
Ito yung yung quiz battle.
Yan, yung quiz battle.
Ito yun yung quiz battle, no?
Yan, yung quiz battle na yan.
O, larin natin, beginner muna tayo.
Sige tol,
12 seconds to answer, okay. Ayan, nag-aantay lang tayo ng kakalabanin, no? Tama ba? Ayan na.
Ay, pumasok agad oh. Okay guys, yun.
Ayun na, Payas is a festival celebrated every May in which town in Quezon Province? Luban! Pak! Ang talino ko talaga! Each island is about 315 kilometers out of Manila, part of the province of Aklan. Ano to? Aklan. Boracay! Sabi ko na eh. Which Filipino vlog is known to his travel vlogs and the virus in becoming Filipino? Will Dasovich? Ay! Kulas? Hindi.
Mali daw, yun dun ah.
Which mythical creature is known as shape-shifting monster that can shape-shifting aswang? Manananggal, shape-shift.
Hindi naman siya shifting.
Which is the name of the fictional African country in Black Panther? Wakanda.
Wakanda forever.
Kung gusto mo maglaro ng nilaro ko, pwede ka mag-download niyan sa Play Store at App Store. Kaya download, WePlay!